I left Pinlaung at sunrise, and oh, was it cold. I mean, I wasn't prepared. I didn't even bring pants, and my jacket was just a simple windbreaker. So I needed some cold weather gear here on this foggy morning, and found a roadside market. So I bought some gloves. So this is Pecan. Pecan is a medium-sized town on the shores of this beautiful lake, man-made reservoir. It's remarkable in a few ways, surprisingly. There is a great book called The Land of Green Ghosts, written by a guy named Pascal something. I'll put it in the titles underneath. And it's a great book for understanding what the hill tribes people's lives were like when with the uprisings and the political conflicts in Myanmar. Definitely recommend seeing it. Also, this is the home of the Pinlaung people, who are a tribe in the Karen nation and these were the infamous long-necked women, and this is the principal town of their people. So I haven't seen any, I've been driving around, but I'm going to drive around a bit and we'll see what we can of Pecan. About a third of the book, The Land of Green Ghosts, took place in Pecan, and I didn't expect to see a big sign that said, like, former home of Pascal Htoo. But I did find this place. One thing that was in the book a lot was church. And this looked definitely like the oldest, most central church in town. So hey, look, it's part of the book. I didn't have a hotel reservation as I rolled into Loikaw, but a little bit of wandering around found me at this place, the Kayah Hotel. Brand new, just open, reasonably priced. I added it to Wiki Travel, and hopefully they'll get a lot more business. So when in Loikaw, stay here. Kind of lost. A friend of a friend had recommended a restaurant called the Mye Ni Lan, which had a lot of exotic foods. I couldn't find it. I asked a lot of people, and finally one lady just said, "Here, follow me, I'll take you there." And so I followed her and ended up at the restaurant.
What do you want to eat?
I hear you have strange food here, like bear, snake.
Snake.
You have
Snake, rabbit, deer.
Okay. How about
For a chicken.
what?
For a chicken.
Chicken? That's not strange.
Forest.
Oh, forest chicken.
Yes.
Oh, I see. You know, I have never had rabbits, so maybe like a rabbit curry. Yeah?
Yes.
How do you say rabbit in Myanmar?
Yo.
Zhou. Yeah, not spicy. Spicy. No. Spicy.
Some sour.
Okay. And you said snake?
Yes.
Okay, you make like a rabbit curry and a snake curry,
Yes.
or sweet and sour snake.
Cook. Snake cook.
Cook snake. Yes, cook snake, cook rabbit, and some rice. Okay. Thank you very much.